Okay. Good morning.
Good morning. I recognize you, but was you Amy or
Lois.
Lois?
Like Lois Lane,
There we go.
Superman.
Well, I was close with Amy. Yeah.
This is Jim. Say
Hello.
Hey, Jim.
Whom am I speaking?
You're talking to the World Wide Web, right?
Oh, okay. Here we are.
Here we are.
Hello, world.
Hello.
Come to our event.
Where are we, this event?
We're at El Segundo, right next to Los Angeles International Airport, about 1 mile away.
Conveniently located.
Convenient, absolutely. And free today. Come on in.
Come on in. And what do you do, Jim?
I assist with Prosperity for Real Estate Club, putting on events.
Great.
This is our once-a-month Saturday event.
All right. And is people are allowed to come here right now.
Mm-hmm.
And what's the address? Hilton Garden.
It's called Hilton Garden LAX, L-A-X. It's on Mariposa in El Segundo.
All right,
So
all
Hilton
right.
Garden, all you need is Hilton Garden LAX. Look it up. It'll come right up on your GPS stuff.
All right.
All right. And then there's only one meeting room today, so
You can't
come on
miss
over.
us.
You really can come into the front desk. You'll find us quickly. Great.
You'll stumble into the room. And this is Steve Love. And he is the head of Prosperity.
I'm the head. I got a head.
I'm the head. I'm the full body of Prosperity through Real Estate, and I'm inviting people to come down here today. And when is our next event, or maybe what is the regular schedule?
They'd be smart to come today if they can get here. Today is Saturday, January 6th. And even though it's just almost 9 o'clock, so we're going to start, if you can get here by 10 or even 11, come. It'll be worth it. And you can come as Lois's guest, today only.
That's right. And what's the regular schedule?
Our regular schedule is the first Tuesday of every month. So I'm not sure when the next Tuesday is. In February, it would be Tuesday, February 6th. And then our speaker always comes back and does an all-day training seminar on Saturday. That would be February 10th. Our speaker then, John Jackson, on lease options and creative financing.
We love lease options.
Okay, so come on down. Thank you.
And yeah, Jack Bosch, he does land.
He's going to show you how to flip land, make land cash flow without actually putting up any money. Can you believe that?
Can you believe that?
Real estate without putting up any money.
But making money.
Making a huge cash flow.
Life is good.
It is.
And who doesn't love land? No
land
tenants.
Land is all beneath us. Yeah, no tenants, no toilets, no any of those hassles.
No hassles.
Just great cash flow.
Yeah. Thank you, Steve.
Thank you, Lois.
Steve is awesome. Prosperity through Real Estate. You got to come join us. Ladies of Justice League, I'm Lois. Oh, now I'm getting a name badge. There I am. Now I feel official. Okay. Thank you. Talk to us soon. Bye-bye.